Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever in the world you may be. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being a part of our wonderful soul family. I wanted to speak about this upcoming full moon. It will be here right around the 14th, 15th of this month, and it is the full moon, and the full moon is in the sign of Gemini. Now, what's so unusual about this, what I really have observed, what I'm really excited about in terms of this particular full moon, is that it kind of comes on with this extra bonus of having this Jupiter expansion, right? Remember, Jupiter is always the planet that offers um, new and exciting energy, right? Whatever comes close to Jupiter, it just makes it even bigger and brighter and bigger and brighter. And so with this particular conjunction, it brings in a sense of optimism, right? It brings in a sense of growth, of expansion and spiritual expansion. And so one of the things that we also know about the energy of Sagittarius is the energy of Sagittarius is very, very, very curious. So having that curiosity of the Sagittarian energy right now with the energy of the full moon that is going to be saying hi and making its appearance next week. What are you curious about spiritually about? A couple of days we spoke about changing your routines, changing the way that you do things to get out of your own nature. This particular expansion also says changing the way you do things spiritually. Um, what have you been doing out of habit that may not yield the same results for you anymore, but that you keep doing because it's comfortable, that it's easy for you? So this is a really, really great time to shake those things up in a beautiful and positive way. Um, next month, I'm going to start planting some seeds with you guys about some things that are going on next month. I am really, really excited to be teaching this class called The Game of Life. And The Game of Life is a theta healing course, but it's an elective, it's a special class that was created by this amazing gentleman, Japanese guy called Hiro. And Game of Life is really all about looking at the pyramid of success and how to climb the pyramid of success and where the things that are blocking us begin, right? And actually going through and into those places and looking at them, looking at how we are mimicking success from those around us and trying to make it ours, right? It's a really, really, really powerful class. I'm very excited to be I'm actually trained by Hero, and I've been working with him on my own on the side. And the way that he works is really phenomenal. And so I'm very excited to be teaching this Game of Life class. It will be next month. It will be next January, and it is going to be. Let me just pull up the exact dates for you guys so that you can start to tickle that in your universe. It's going to be December 16th through the 19th. So it's going to be 4 days, and it's going to be roughly 4.5 hours a day. So it's a really beautiful, exciting journey that you go on together. And personally, I feel like it's an amazing way to set up the new year, which is why I've decided to start the new year offering this class. So if you don't, Hiro Yamazaki is his name. The name of the course is called Game of Life. It will be January, Irina. Thank you so much, honey. January. It's called the Game of Life, and you can learn more about it. You'll be able to learn more about it on my website and register for it on my website as well. So, as you guys know, a couple of weeks ago, I ended up doing the workshop in Long Island, and they've actually invited me to partner up with them to offer the class to their students as well. So it's going to be a big class. It's going to be really, really exciting. The name of my website, Abby, is theprovocativeIntuitive.com. Okay, so I will put that up. And if you have any questions at all about the class or about anything that we're going to be doing, I'm going to actually be announcing my class schedule for the next 6 months. We've been working really, really, really diligently at uh, at creating that that schedule. Many of you have always asked, like, when are you teaching another class, or when are you doing this, and when are you doing that? And I apologize. It's I've been so blessed to have hosts around the world that take care of all this stuff for me, that I often think over here on my side, on my end, I don't really do much of the programming and the scheduling myself. So we're really excited to actually create our own schedule for the next 6 months. We're going to be offering lots of really exciting theta healing classes, access consciousness classes, and some classes that actually I had the opportunity to download and create myself, about how to hone your intuition, which seems to be one of the biggest things people are always asking my advice on. How do I lead with my intuition? So those things are coming, and I'm working on some new projects. It's going to be a very, 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 very busy, exciting year. And I support all of you in your journey, wherever your journey is at. And I welcome you to be a part of our journey and our soul family, and everything that we are doing to kind of go on that journey with us. Okay, so I'll be talking a lot more about it, and as the days go by. And let's do it. Okay. Let's do the meditation. So let's close our eyes and let's find ourselves in our heart. And as we do so, let's close our eyes and become really, really, really present with the energy that is here and that is available to us. How did we get so lucky to be so supported and so nurtured and so cared for in every way? And now from here, let's begin by taking 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And now let's shift our awareness to the center of the earth. And as we shift our awareness to the center of the earth, let's imagine this beautiful energy swirling around in the center of the earth. And from the space in the center of the earth, let's imagine this energy scooping up fresh earth energy, coming up through the soles of our feet, through our ankles, our calves, our knees, and our thighs, and traveling up through all of our chakras, and popping up outside the top of our head and forming a beautiful ball of light. And now shift your awareness into this ball of light. And imagine this ball of light traveling up out of the space that you're in. Higher and higher and higher and faster and faster and faster. Imagine that ball of light lifting you up out past Earth's atmosphere, out into outer space, through different planets, galaxies, and the Milky Way, and higher and higher and higher beyond there, out into different layers of light. Some light, some dark. Through those layers, out into a beautiful golden-like light, and through the golden-like light into a jelly-like substance light. Through the jelly-like substance light to a beautiful pink haze, which is the law of compassion. And through the law of compassion, you enter into the 7th plane of all that is, the plane of creation, of oneness, and of complete totality. Immediately, your ball of light dissolves into this beautiful energy, and you feel the connection, the collaboration, the contribution of all things, all atoms and molecules of existence. Oneness. Expand even more into that energy. Trust yourself. Be willing to go a little bit further than you've ever been willing to go before. And from here, we'll ask for some downloads for those of you who may be joining for the first time. Downloads are simply just energies from the universe that we receive into our subconscious mind. As we receive them into our subconscious mind, we create a new pathways and in neurological portals for us in our brain, in our consciousness, that create a shift in our beliefs. Remember, our beliefs are what is creating our reality. So, would you like to know what it feels like to have the creator's definition of adventure? That you're worthy of going on an adventure, a spiritual adventure, to allow yourself to be curious. This energy of this full moon that we have next week is all about curiosity. So, would you like to know what it feels like to know that it's safe for you to be curious, to have curiosity, to have playfulness in your heart and in your body and in your actions and everything that you do? If you'd like that, say yes. Would you like to have the creator's definition of wonder, to not only with a curiosity, but to have the sense of wonder with the curiosity that you are curious about? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like to know that you're worthy of being curious? We often think of curiosity as that which we limit to children, right? And what if it was something that we could tap into ourselves? Are you willing to be playful with curiosity? If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to trust yourself, to know that you're worthy of trusting yourself and that it's safe for you to trust yourself? If you'd like that, say yes. Would you like to know what it feels like to know? You've heard it said before that everything happens for a reason, but do you actually know what that means? Do you actually believe that everything happens for a reason? And when we say a reason, we mean a reason to move us forward, a reason that teaches us a divine life lesson, a reason that gives us hope and possibility that we've never considered before. If you'd like that, say yes. And would you like to know what it feels like, looks like, tastes like, smells like, sounds like, and is to let go? To let go, to let go, to let go, to let go of the past, to let go of the past, to embrace the future. And so, as we do so and we embark on this adventure, what are some of the things that you're asking for in your life? What are you asking for? And what are you asking for today? What would you like to ask for that you haven't asked for? That if you did ask for it, might really change things in your life. If you'd like that, say yes. Great. I'm getting also again to remind, I see this beautiful image of you baking a cake or pie or something that is just like you've put so much love and care into, and you make this amazing thing and you put it in the oven. And remember, you have to let it have the time that is required to bake. It has to have that time, right? So, are you willing to give the things that you have asked for and given birth to some time to breathe, some time to expand? If you'd like that, say yes. Some time to grow, right? You can't take the cake out of the oven too early, right? So don't worry. The universe will let you know when it's ready. All you have to do is keep asking for new things, right? You don't even have to wait, right? We always think, oh, we have to wait until the cake is done. Don't wait. Just create other things on the side while that's brewing so that all of a sudden, all those seeds that you plant, those ideas that you give birth to, as you're busy creating new energies, all of a sudden you hear the timer go off and ding, your cake is ready, and that you get to go enjoy it. So to have that energy to know what to do in that space that we call time, the patience. So if you'd like that, say yes. Okay, cool. So now let's shift our energy to those who require healing today. And remember, as we do so, let's just imagine them surrounded in the Creator's love, in the Creator's light. Imagine them happy, healthy, safe, and protected. So let's please send healing to Millie, happy, healthy, safe, and protected. Let's also please send healing to Mama Linda, happy, healthy, safe, protected. Let's send healing to Andrea, happy, healthy, safe, protected. To Carmazina and to Susie, happy, healthy, safe, protected. Let's send healing today to Walt, happy, healthy, safe, protected. Also to Sarah and Abraham, happy, healthy, safe, protected. And let's also please send healing to Carrie. And let's also include healing to those that we want to send unconditional healing and light to. Happy, healthy, safe, protected. Last but not least, would you like to know that you are unconditional love? That you be unconditional love, and that unconditional love is your birthright. If you'd like that, say yes. And now let's take our palms, rub our palms together. Faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. Place your palms over your eyes. Your eyes are the windows to your soul. And when you're ready, you can open up your eyes and allow that energy to come into your body and into your being. And place your hands on your heart. Congratulate yourself. Thank yourself for being here, for showing up today. Have an amazing day, my friends. How does it get even better and better and better? And I'll see you same time, same place tomorrow. Have a wonderful, amazing, adventurous day. Bye, everyone. Thank you all.